Hello everybody, welcome to Math Made Easy by Planet Spark. I am back with the next chapter. So all my ninth graders, today we are starting with the chapter polynomial, and in that first we have understanding and verifying zeros of a polynomial. So let's get started everybody. Now we know what is a polynomial everybody. We can define it as an expression or we can say algebraic expression जिसमें क्या है हमारे पास variables, coefficients and non-negative integer exponents. कुछ powers होंगी which will be non-negative integers there, right? So non-negative means positive or zero, right? Variables होंगे, coefficients होंगे. Variables as in x, y, p, कोई भी वेरिएबल हो सकता है. उनके कोफिशिएंट्स राइट 1, 2, -2 एंड सो ऑन. अब इन वेरिएबल्स की कुछ पावर हो सकती है, एक्सपोनेंट हो सकता है, एंड दैट शुड बी अ नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर. कोई एग्जांपल ले पॉलिनोमियल का. लेट्स से आई हैव 3x² + 2x. दैट्स व्हाट? A polynomial. We can see what all do we have here. We have variables, we have coefficients, we have integral, non-negative integral exponents there. Right everyone? Next one. The degree of a polynomial is defined as the highest exponent of the variable. Let's say ये example हम consider करेंगे. यहाँ पे we can see x की दो powers हैं, right? Here I can see x की power क्या है 1. यहाँ पे हमारे पास x की पावर है 2, राइट? जब हम कोई पावर नहीं लिखते हैं दैट मीन्स द पावर इज 1. आई होप यू ऑल नो दैट. सो इनमें मैक्सिमम पावर क्या है 2, राइट एवरीबॉडी? सो इस पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री क्या होगी 2. दैट इज अगेन द हाईएस्ट एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ दैट वेरिएबल. दिस इज अ पॉलिनोमियल इन x. हाईएस्ट पावर x की 2 है हमारे पास, सो डिग्री इज 2 here. That's how we define degree, right? Then based on degree also we can do the classification. Based on number of terms also we can do the classification. Let's see the classification based on number of terms there. If we have only one term like 2x or 3y, ठीक है, सिर्फ एक टर्म है हमारे पास, these two examples are there, then we call it as a monomial. Mono means one, right everybody? Monomial. Next, when we have two terms like x plus y or 3x plus 2z, right? यहाँ भी दो terms हैं, यहाँ भी दो terms हैं. That we call as binomial. Bi means two. Similarly, तीन terms होंगी polynomial में तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे? That will be a trinomial. Tri means three. Example, x plus y plus 3. p² plus q plus 6. Three terms are there, 1, 2 and 3. Right, so these are known as terms here. Okay, and in the terms, whatever number or numerical value that we have with the variable, that is known as the coefficient there. Okay, now the degree classification everybody. Second type. So we can have a constant polynomial. Constant means, yes, the power, the degree is 0. Okay. Let's say if the degree of a polynomial is 0, that means maximum power of the variable is 0. Maximum power ही 0 है तो क्या होगा उसमें? एक constant, let's say 2. So this is a constant polynomial. Or we can write with it x to the power 0. X to the power 0 means 1. 2 into 1 is still 2, right? So maximum power of the variable is 0 here. That's why we define the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial as 0. Remember this, non-zero constant polynomial. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -1.5, anything we can take, not 0. That is a separate case, I'll tell you later. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं, जब डिग्री हमारे पास 1 है, दैट मीन्स द मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल इज 1. सो वी कैन से लेट वी हैव 3p. व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ p हियर? 1. सो दैट इज व्हाट? यस, अ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, डिग्री इज 1 मीन्स लीनियर. देन डिग्री इज 2. द मैक्सिमम पावर इज 2. सो 2 से कम पावर्स हो सकती हैं? एब्सोल्युटली, मैक्सिमम 2 होनी चाहिए. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. 3z² - 2z plus 4। अब यहाँ पे z की पावर 2 है, z की पावर 1 है एंड constant term is also there, so we can say z to the power 0 is also there, right? But maximum क्या है? z to the power 2. So degree क्या है? 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. जब degree 2 होगी then we'll call it as quadratic polynomial. Okay. Similarly, when degree is 3, when maximum power is 3, let's say 3x cube. Okay, what is the power of x? 3. Then we call it as a cubic polynomial. Understood the classification everybody? एक term होगी तो क्या बोलेंगे? Monomial. 2 terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial. Similarly, based on degree, when degree is 0, constant polynomial. Degree is 1, linear. Degree is 2, yes, quadratic. Degree is 3, cubic. Absolutely correct. And we know in each term there is a coefficient part and a variable part, right? Operations से like addition, subtraction, इनसे जितनी भी expression जुड़े हैं, these are the terms here. और एक term में हमारे पास क्या क्या होता है? Yes, a numerical part and a variable part. So we can say we have a coefficient and the variable part. Very easy. ये सब तो algebraic expression में भी हम junior classes में सीख चुके हैं, right? Just revising that. Now a very important thing, that is zero polynomial. What is zero polynomial, everybody? 0. That's it. Now the question is, what is the degree of a zero polynomial, right? Some of you might think that it is again a constant, just like we took constant polynomials like 2, 3, -1 and so on. These are all constant polynomials. और इन सब की degree क्या है? Degree is 0, but not for 0. Zero polynomial is a different case, right? यहाँ पे जब हम degree define करते हैं, so we call it as the degree of non-zero constant polynomial. Right, everybody? So, what do we have here? The degree of a zero polynomial, or we can say a polynomial where we have 0, is not defined. Right? ये समझ आ गया सबको? Remember this. Underline the keywords, everybody. Non-zero constant polynomial की degree हम 0 define करते हैं. But for a zero polynomial, not defined. Why? Think of it. अब 0 के साथ कोई भी degree है हमारे पास. Let's say 0 into x, 0 into z square, 0 x cube and so on. Right? Infinitely many degrees are possible. 0 के साथ कुछ भी लिखो, वो 0 ही हो जाएगा. That's why we say the degree is not defined. Remember this, everybody. These two things. कि constant polynomial मतलब non-zero constant polynomial. उसकी degree 0 है, right? And for a zero polynomial, the degree is not defined. Okay then. With that, let's move ahead. Okay. अब बात करते हैं zero of a polynomial की. Zero of a polynomial means that value, everybody, of the variable which the polynomial evaluates to 0, or we can say which satisfies the polynomial or gives the value of the polynomial to be 0. Let's take a small example. Let's say I have a polynomial x plus 2. x की कौन सी वैल्यू इस polynomial को 0 बना देगी? That value is the 0 of this polynomial. That's why we call it 0 of a polynomial. That value of the variable, in this case x, that makes the polynomial to be 0. Okay, so क्या put करें यहाँ पे? -2. -2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to -2 वो value है जो इसे 0 बना रही है. So we can say x equal to -2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Clear, everybody? चलिए जी. Next point. Now, if fx is a polynomial, any number satisfying f of a is equal to 0 is called a 0 of a polynomial. Let's say कोई polynomial है हमारे पास f of x, right? x की कोई भी value, let's say a, which is giving us f of a equal to 0. That means polynomial की value on a giving us 0, making it 0 is what? The 0 of that polynomial. Same चीज है, लिखने का तरीका बस अलग है. Clear everyone? Okay. Now a polynomial can have more than one zeros. Yes, more than one value can be there which can make it 0. Absolutely. Depends on what is the highest power there of the variable. What is the degree there? Okay. The number of zeros of a polynomial is at most equal to its degree. Maximum कितनी zeros हो सकती हैं ये हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? From the degree. At most equal to the degree. So if we have a quadratic polynomial, degree is 2. So at most 2 zeros are possible. If we have a cubic polynomial, degree is 3. At most ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे पास 3 zeros हो सकती हैं, 3 वैल्यू x की ऐसी हो सकती हैं that can make the polynomial 0, right? Maximum possibility it's giving us. Let's take an example. Consider we have a polynomial fx is equal to x minus 2. Okay, check f of 2. x की जगह क्या पुट करेंगे? 2. So we have got 2 minus 2, that is 0. That means x equal to 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. अब यहाँ पे डिग्री क्या है? डिग्री is 1. So maximum एक वैल्यू पॉसिबल है जो इसे 0 बनाएगी, 1 0, right? That's why this is the only answer here. Now, if f of a is not equal to 0, then what happens? Simple. Then that value will not be a 0 of the polynomial, right? Okay then everybody. So we have understood the classification and the zeros of a polynomial. Now it's time to solve some questions there. Okay, let's see the first one. Verify whether x equal to 2 is a 0 of the following polynomial. क्या है हमारे पास fx equal to 4x minus 1. अगर x equal to 2 इसकी 0 है तो क्या होगा? When we substitute x equal to 2 here, this should give us 0. So let's check that. So we have f of 2 that is equal to 4 times 2 minus 1. 8 minus 1, that is 7. Is it equal to 0? No. That means x equal to 2 is not a 0 of the polynomial. Easy, right? Next one. Check whether x equal to minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, this is the polynomial. We have to check for x equal to minus 1. So क्या find out करेंगे? f of minus 1. x की जगह substitute करेंगे -1 whole square plus 2 into -1 plus 1. Let's see what are we getting. -1 whole square is 1 only. This is minus 2. This is plus 1. So 2 minus 2 everybody. What are we getting? 0. That means we have got f of minus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 is a, yes, 0 of the polynomial. So here, yes, the answer is yes. Next question. Check whether x equal to minus 2 is a 0 of the following polynomial. Very easy. Again, same steps है हमारे पास. x को substitute करेंगे as -2 here. So f of -2 is equal to -2 whole square plus 4 times -2 plus 4. Let's evaluate it. 4 minus 8 plus 4. So what do we get here? 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Answer आ गया 0. So yes, it is a 0 of the polynomial. Next one. A rectangular garden has an area represented by the quadratic polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6 square meter. ये क्या है? एरिया है which is represented by this polynomial. Okay, चलिए first part देखते हैं. Verify whether x equal to 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. So let's verify. We know the drill. Let's say this is f of x. X square minus 5x plus 6. We have to verify for x equal to 2. So f of 2 that is equal to 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. Simplify करेंगे 4 minus 10 plus 6. Right. Minus 10 plus 6, minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So yes, we have verified. Next one. Explain what the 0 represents in the context of the garden's length. Okay. Area हमें given है, right? So we have got here x equal to 2 as a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, pay attention. Now if I take this onto the left hand side, what do I get here? X minus 2, right? So ये क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास? This will be a factor of this polynomial. That means this term will completely divide this polynomial. And once we do it, we'll be getting a quotient. Let's say यहाँ पे कुछ quotient आएगा. And the product of these two will be this polynomial. X square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, something like this. So we'll be getting two factors here, जिसमें से एक क्या होगा length और एक क्या होगा breadth. Why? Because we know area is given by length into breadth, right? So जो दो factors हमारे पास आ रहे हैं, one will be the length and one will be the breadth of this rectangle. Okay, later on in the same chapter we'll be learning more about factors, everybody. Okay, so this was just a small example. Chaliye, next one. A manufacturer finds that the profit in rupees from selling x units is given by this polynomial, x square minus 4x. Determine whether selling 0 unit yields 0 profit. Okay, ये क्या है हमारे पास? The profit. So let's say this is px. That is equal to x square minus 4x. Let's say 0 unit sell किए हैं, तो क्या इससे हमारा प्रॉफिट भी 0 आएगा? Let's see. Substitute x equal to 0. So we have got here 0 minus 4 into 0, right? That is equal to 0. So yes, the profit is 0 if 0 units are sold. Okay, next one. Find any other number of units that will result in 0 profit. Okay, so we have to find a value here. X square minus 4x, right? Something we have to substitute here so that this becomes 0. This is equal to 0. Think of it, what value we can put here? Let's try to simplify it. We can see x common ले सकते हैं left hand side पे. So x into x minus 4 equal to 0. Now think logically. x और इस टर्म का प्रोडक्ट 0 है. प्रोडक्ट 0 होने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए हमारे पास? Either this should be 0 or this should be 0 or both should be 0. Then only we can have the product to be 0, right? एक वैल्यू हमारे पास ऑलरेडी आ चुकी है. एक वैल्यू हमारे पास ऑलरेडी आ चुकी है, that is x equal to 0, right? एक वैल्यू which is making this as 0 is x equal to 0, right? So from here we can write two possibilities we have here. Either x equal to 0 और this term x minus 4 equal to 0. So यहाँ से वैल्यू हमें क्या मिल रही है? x equal to 0. यहाँ से वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी? x is equal to 4. That means x equal to 4 is that value which will make this 0, right? That means 4 commodity जब हम sell करेंगे, 4 unit जब हम sell करेंगे, then also the profit will be 0. You can verify it. Okay, यहाँ पे put 4 here. P of 4. So what are we getting here? 4 square minus 4 into 4, right? 16 minus 16, that is equal to 0. Isn't it, everybody? So that's how we solve it to get the zeros there. Next one then. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Okay, degree हमें find out करनी है. What is the degree, everybody? Do you all remember? Tell me in the comments. Yes, the maximum power of the variable. So first one, we have 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Variable क्या है? X. Look at the powers. Power is 1 here, 2 and 3. What is the maximum power? 3. So the degree is 3 here. Then 4 minus y square. Variable is y. The only power we have is 2. तो वही maximum है. So we can say the degree here is 2. Easy, right? Next question then. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Again, ये क्लासिफिकेशन किस बेसिस पे होता है? बेस्ड ऑन द डिग्री. So let's look at the degrees here. In the first one we have power 1 and यहाँ क्या है? Power 2. Maximum power 2. So what type of polynomial is it, everybody? Yes, quadratic. Next one, x minus x cube, right? Two powers are there, we can see. Power is 1, here power is 3. Maximum is 3. So that is a cubic polynomial. Next one, y plus y square plus 4. Power is 1, power is 2, constant term. Maximum power 2. That is the degree. So again, quadratic polynomial. And the last one, 1 plus x. Only power is 1, so that is, the degree is 1. Linear polynomial. And with that we are done, everybody. Okay, so let's quickly summarize what we have learnt today. We learnt about polynomials, right? And the classification. Based on number of terms क्या होगा? Monomial, binomial, trinomial. Based on degree, constant, linear, quadratic and cubic. Right, then zeros, a number a, or we can say the value x equal to a is a zero of a polynomial if it makes the polynomial 0. That is, if f of a is equal to 0. To check what we do there, we substitute the value in the polynomial and simplify. That's it. If the result is 0, then yes, it is a 0 of the polynomial. If the result is not 0, then it is not a 0. And some examples we have done there. So that was all, everybody, for today. Thank you very much. In the next class, we'll be continuing with polynomial and we'll be doing more about the zeros and the properties there.